Hey, APUSHers, with 72 days left before the APUSH exam, this is what I would do to make sure that I was prepared. Yesterday, I gave a brief overview of all the components of the APUSH exam, the MCQs, the SAQs, the DBQ, and the LAQs. Now today, your goal is to really understand the aspects of the multiple choice section of the test. So what you know is that there are 55 questions and 55 minutes. But as you've been in APUSH now for a while, you understand that these are source-based questions, which means that you have a source with the questions that follow. The source is also called a stimulus. Now, the majority of the questions on the test are going to be from excerpts. They're going to be text-based. However, they could also be visual, which means they could be a chart or other quantitative data. They could be a map. They could be a poster, a political cartoon, an image. And so there's various styles of questions that are going to correspond to those. Additionally, you want to pay attention to the skills that are associated with the questions. The most common skills that you're going to see are going to be related to contextualization. What are the broader events that are happening in the time period of the stimulus? Additionally, causation is a huge, commonly used skill. What led to what's happening in the excerpt, or what is an effect of what's happening in the excerpt? You may see continuity and change over time. However, that's a little bit more difficult to do in MCQs, and comparison is also going to show up quite frequently. And so what I would start to do is, when you are practicing your questions, whether that's in class on your assessments or whether that's practicing through an online website, what I would start to do is pay attention to the ones you're getting wrong and start to categorize them. Am I typically getting visual stimuli wrong or text-based stimuli? Am I doing better on causation but not comparison? As you can try to identify where you're struggling, you can then target those types of questions to spend more time. So today, February 28th, 2024, we are 72 days out from the APUSH exam, and I would make sure that I understand the style of MCQs and begin to identify which ones I need to spend more time practicing.